Today I'm going to be unboxing the PS4 Detroit Become Human, rated M mature. This game is developed by Quantum Dream and it is only available for PlayStation. So this is the cover art that comes in the box, as you can see there. If you look at the size, it says PS4 Detroit Become Human. At the back it says, how far will you go to be free? These are the three main characters that you're going to be playing with. Detroit 2038, lifelike androids have replaced the human workforce. They never tire, disobey or say no until something changes. Some of them have started to behave irrationally, as if they were feeling emotions. Tell your own story. Every choice has a consequence. Take control of three androids in their quest to discover who they really are, face moral dilemmas, and make life or death decisions. As you can see here, this is only one player. The required storage for the game is at least 44 gigabytes. DualShock 4, and it is enhanced for the PS4 Pro, as you can see there. So now let's get it unboxed. Now let's get it open. Okay, as you can see here, this is how this looks. There you go. Now let's remove it and let's take a look at the art behind the disc. As you can see there, this is how it looks. There you go. So now let's insert the game on the PS4 and see the first boot up of the game.
Detroit experience. I'm an android and I'll be your hostess. Before we begin, let's make some adjustments to optimize your experience. These language settings were detected on your console. Are they correct? Please adjust your screen settings. Thank you. Now select your profile. When this sign is displayed, please do not turn off your console. You are now ready to begin Detroit. Remember, this is not just a story. This is our future.
Please, you gotta see my little girl. Please. You're sending an android?
All right, ma'am. You need to go.
You can't do that. Why aren't you sending a real person? Don't let that thing here. Keep that thing away from my daughter.
I don't give a shit. My men are ready to step in. Just give the order.
Captain Allen, my name is Connor. I'm the android sent by CyberLife.
It's firing at everything it moves. It already shot down 2 of my men. We could easily get it, but they're on the edge of the balcony. If it falls, she falls.
Do you know its name?
I haven't got a clue. Does it matter?
I need information to determine the best approach. you know if it's been behaving strangely before this?
Listen, saving that kid is all that matters. So either you deal with this fucking android now, or I'll take care of it.
All units hold positions. Negotiators going in.
Stay back! Don't come any closer or I'll jump!
No, please, I'm begging you! Go!
My name is Connor! What about you? What is your name?
Daniel! That's the name they gave me! Stay back!
I know you're angry, Daniel. But you need to trust me and let me help you.
I don't want your help! Nobody can help me! All I want is for all this to stop! I just want all this to stop! Are you armed?
No, I don't have a gun.
You're lying! I know you have a gun!
I'm telling you the truth, Daniel. I came here unarmed. There's no way out, Daniel. What you've done is too serious. The only question is whether or not you take another innocent life.
It's not up to you! I'm holding all the cards! If I die, she dies! You hear me?
Are you okay, Emma?
Please help me! I don't want to die! I don't want to die!
Nobody's going to die. Stay calm. Everything's going to be fine. Look what you did! You were designed to serve humans, not kill them.
What was I designed to be? Their slave? Their toy? I just wanted them to care about me. I just wanted to matter. I just wanted to be someone. I can't stand that noise anymore. Tell that helicopter to get out of here.
The situation is under control.
There. I did what you wanted. Listen, there are snipers on every roof. Let the hostage go. You have no other choice.
I want everyone to leave. And I want a car. When I'm outside the city, I'll let her go.
That's out of the question. You're a machine you have to obey. Now put the gun down and let the hostage go.
I've spent my life taking orders. Now it's my turn to decide.